Okay, so this chapter is all about trends. And objective 2 says recognize the basic trends that are found in families and periods on the periodic table. So first of all, families run which way? Up and down or back and forth? Up and down. They're the columns. Are the groups or columns that run up and down the table. And there's 18 groups in all. So what's the trend in families? What's one thing is true of everything in a family? When you look at family 1 or family 17, what's one thing the family tells you? Yeah, how many valence electrons? I'm not going to say equal. It's not quite true. It's equal to the group number for 1 and 2, and then it stays stuck at 2, and then you ignore the, for 13, 14, 15, you just ignore the 1, and it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it lets you know how many valence electrons. And then the other thing we're going to find out is all elements in a family have similar chemical properties. And that's because they have the same number of valence electrons. And valence electrons is what chemistry is all about. So if one member in a family is explosive in water, then all the members of that family will be explosive in water. Some of them might be more explosive than others, but they're all going to be explosive in water. If one member of the family has a low melting point, probably all the members of the family are going to have low melting points. So you'll see similar properties. Actually, that was a physical property, but you'll see similar chemical properties. For example, 3 of the most valued metals are copper, silver, and gold. Anybody know why those have such a high price on them? They're somewhat rare, although they're not the rarest metals by any stretch. But why do people like them for jewelry? They have unique colors, they're pretty. Okay, yeah, I get that. Not strong as much as they don't react very much. You don't have to worry about them rusting or corroding or wearing out easily. So of all the metals, those 3 metals are all in one family, and they're really non-reactive, which makes them really nice if you have jewelry made out of them, because they're not going to change over time very easily. Okay, so periods are the rows that run back and forth or side to side. And what's the trend in periods? Yeah, it tells you what energy. All the elements in a period are filling up the same energy level. So the valence electrons are in the same energy level. And that's it for trends in families and periods, really.